Today, let's talk about RCS. RCS is a rich communication service and consider it a next generation messaging technology. This service can actually transform the way you send text messages to your customer. As in that RCS is an extremely rich in the way when you send a message. You are not just sending a simple message to your customer. You send a message with some buttons, images, carousel, videos. So it allows a lot of functions that were restricted for us in the text message. That's why RCS was introduced by Google, that it almost worked like WhatsApp messages. But since this is a text message, RCS is a synonym or a sort of uh, second version of your normal text message that makes RCS way more attractive than a WhatsApp message. So when you are receiving a WhatsApp message, you generally expect those kind of messages as a promotional message. But since all the text messages that you are receiving are considered a utility message or informative messages, your customer's attention will definitely be grabbed by a message that comes in a text message box. So when RCS will be received, your customer will be very likely to view that message and interact with it than they will earn a normal promotional message. So today, let's talk about how we can utilize or how we can use RCS as a promotional message or just as a normal messaging. So first, let's create the RCS message. Here in this page, you will have to click on the template option. So in Msgclub template option, you have to click on the create template. And in the create template option, you will get three type of message type where you can create your RCS. You can create a very standard RCS message. You can create a rich card, which allows you to make a card-like message where your image will be displayed and some of the buttons will be displayed. So this is a way more interactive message than a standard normal RCS message. Or you can choose the carousel. So with carousel, you are allowed to add up to 10 cards. So in those 10 cards, you can add images and description on those cards. So suppose if you are making a fashion catalog, you wanted to send it to your client. So you can create a carousel where you can send your customer 10 images of the fashion catalog that you have, and you can write a brief description about those clothing, and then you can send it to your customer. So that way it will be extremely useful and way more cheaper than a normal message where you have to send different products with different messages. The carousel, you just have to send 10 images in one message itself. So it's way more cost effective. And today I would like to make a normal standard message. So let's do that. First, you will have to type your template name. I am writing sample test. And now you just have to write your message. So this is the message that I wanted to use. You can also add variable in your message. So if you wanted to make it more personalized or you want the customer name to be consistently changing, you can use the variable where you can change the name, whatever you wanted to send to your customer. So once I have created the template, I just need to click on the save button. And as you can see, my template has been saved successfully in the Msgclub interface. Now, I just need to send this message to my customer. That is also a very easy process. Let's go on that and see how we can do that. Yes. And here in the RCS, you can choose three options to send your message. So first, you can either upload a file. If you have a file with your customer information, it should be a CSV file. Then you can upload that into the Msgclub interface and then use those contacts to send your message. Or you can create a phone book group. So once you click here, all this phone book group will appear where you can write in your customer information or their details with their number. And then you can use that group to send your message. Or you can simply type in the number and send your message. Here I'm doing that. Writing the number. Now you just need to select your template. Here, the this is my template that I wanted to send to my customer. So you will just have to click on your template and it will appear like this. As you can see in the template, there is two variables where you can change these values. So I will show you. Here I'm writing 10%. Now, and these are the buttons. There's one URL button, there's a reply button, and there's a phone number. These kind of buttons you can add in your message, and your customer can use this to interact with you. Like if they wanted to visit your website, they can use the URL option, or if they wanted to contact you, they can use the dial phone number. So this is how your template will be made. Now you just have to click on the now button, and your RCS message will be sent. This is how you can send your RCS. So with RCS, it is way more interactive than a normal text message. As I've told you previously, text messages can sometimes have its foundation and limitation, which RCS doesn't have. And because RCS is pretty new to the industry, it will always have that kind of age where people will generally consider RCS messaging as a way more serious kind of message, which will attract more traffic. So when you will start using RCS, you will see way more benefits from using RCS than a normal text message or a WhatsApp message. Because even in WhatsApp messages, your customer generally consider them a normal promotional message and wouldn't pay much mind to it. So that does impact the sales process. But with RCS, since this will come in a text message, it will have a way higher conversion rate and a way higher rate of people seeing this message and interacting with you. So because of that, I think RCS is a way more important and a way more better messaging service than any other messaging. So thank you so much. And we will talk more about RCS in our upcoming